Hot and spicy meatballs, £1. Now, a while ago, I thought it's been £1, but the pack was bigger. I wonder how many meatballs they reduced it by. Anyway, never mind about that. I'm off to Preston to buy a G Master lens for my Sony A7 III camera, and I'm buying a brand new one. £2,000, £2,096. Am I crazy? You only live once. But if you want to get into photography and take some cracking photographs, you've got to get a decent lens. So there you go. £2,000 on a lens. Who'd have thought? Who'd have thought? They're tasty. I know it's not the finest meat, but it's alright when you're just on a protein diet. It's better than eating a bag of crisps and a couple of bars of chocolate. A lot of flood water in there. The tide has been and gone. Right, we're at the station. Let's hope there's a train. Usually every 20 minutes or so. I think it'll be around about between £5 and £7. Train on time, about 19-minute journey, £6.40. Open return, not bad. Right, I'm heading into St George's shopping centre to find Wilkinson Cameras. Mission accomplished. In the end, you know what I'm like with money, I got the Sigma 100 to 400, £980, plus if I register with Sigma I get £145 back. I also bought a new tripod, £199. I've saved myself £1,000. Have I made the right decision? Is there going to be a lot of difference in the quality between the two for what I'm going to do? No. Right, this is my train. Looks busy, but now then, where are we? Is today going to be worth it? I'm heading for the 4th time back to Hest Bank. Why am I going there again, you're asking? Well, because I'm familiar with the place. There are a few things I want to photograph, but they was out of my reach because I did not have a zoom lens. But now I have got a Sigma 100 to 400mm zoom lens and a new tripod. So I want to go and practice using the lens and the tripod. I've never used them, bought the lens last week, but I've been busy over the weekend. It's the first day out with them. As per usual in the UK, the weather is totally bland and dull. But I'm not going to let that stop me. I'm going to practice. And they say practice makes perfect. The only downside is my bag is really heavy. I think I might have made a mistake with this tripod. It's a little bit heavy, but it's the quality and sturdiness is fantastic, which you need for such a big lens. But I'll probably get used to it. My aim today is to take some long exposures using my Sigma lens, zoom into the groins and Let's see what my imagination can come up with. Right, that's my setup. I've done a number of long exposures and the quality on the back of the camera looks good. This tripod is so much easier to use than my old tripod that I had. All these levels, you don't have to get these, even don't have to get the legs level really, you can just level it off here and it's so much easier. I'm doing a 2-minute exposure now of the rocks in the distance. I've done a couple over there, and when I've done that I'm going to move down onto the shoreline. I'm enjoying it. Well, I'm doing a long exposure of the rocks in the distance, and look how far away I am, and I am only set on 200mm. I've got another 200 to go. This has opened up loads more opportunities. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant, and the focusing on this lens is really, really sharp. Can't wait to get down there to the groins. God, I must be keen. It's cold out there, must be -3. Right, I'm just going to get a hot drink in me, some porridge. And then I'll be heading up to the railway station to catch the train at 6 o'clock to Windermere. The train gets there around about 6:30. It'll still be dark, and I'll get the bus, if it's running, if it's on time, at 6:50 to Ambleside for a day of photography. I'm going to try and go to Rydal Water and maybe to the shores of Lake Windermere. Some piping hot mushroom soup. Right, nice and wrapped up. Let's get to that station. Absolutely deserted. 5:15 in the morning. Cars are all frosted up. But I'm looking forward to this adventure. It's going to be a long day, but I'm looking forward to it. As you can see, the light is slowly coming up. It is now just after 10 to 7. The bus should be due in about 3 minutes. Let's hope it's on time, because it is absolutely bitter. 5 minutes late, but we'll let it off. Right, that was quite a pleasant little journey. Had a bit of a tour around Windermere, but we've got here about 20 minutes. But on the drive down, I had a good look at some options for a bit of photography on the way back. I'm going to walk back towards the Loughrigg Hotel, but round the area of the hotel there's loads and loads of compositions I spotted. So here I am. It's only me here. Look at this. Fantastic. Right, I've got a few snaps around the side of the lake, but I've not done much filming on here because it's that cold. I've got to try and utilise my time, and also the light. See the light? I can't be dithering around making videos as well. I'm going to get a shot now of these trees ahead of us. Can you see? They're lit by the sun. I've just been chatting to a nice lady who's put me on the correct path. This is quite steep, she said. I'm going up Loughrigg Fell. Not right to the top, I don't think. I just want to get some elevation so that I can get some shots of Fairfield Horseshoe. But the lady told me up here there's an owl sat in a tree. So I'm going to try and photograph it. She said it's there all the time. But this is quite steep. I'm still walking. No idea where the owl is. Probably walk past it. But what a stunning day. Right, let's get back down and see if we can find that owl. I was talking to a couple when I was walking up, and I said, a lady told me that there's an owl up here, and she says, ooh. I says, a lady, and then I got what she was saying and made me laugh. It's just never ending beauty. I've been stopping and taking quite a lot of photographs. This Sigma 100 to 400 lens, it's beautiful. I'll put most of the photographs at the end of this video, put a little bit of music to them. What do you think of that then? Rydal Water. So here we are at Rydal Cave. It's quite a big place. I'm not going to go in because I don't want to slip in the old camera. As you can see, it's a bit of a touristy spot. Not a bad view to have a little bit of mushroom soup. Ooh, I'm cold now. I've been doing some long exposures along the shore of Rydal Water. So I'm going to head back now onto that road over there, see what the bus is, catch a bus back to Windermere. Ooh, what a day. It's 20 to 2. The light is slowly fading. Soon being golden hour. I've got about another mile to walk to Ambleside. Then I'll walk into Ambleside and get the bus to Windermere. By then it should be almost going dark. I've had a cracking day today. It's been bitterly cold though. So tomorrow I'm going out with Mr. T. I'm going to have to put another jumper on and some glove liners because I can't feel my fingers. But it's been worth it. I think I've got some cracking photographs. And this Sony A7, the battery, it's only down to 48%. Absolutely marvellous. It's fantastic. I've done a lot of shooting on my Sigma 100 to 400, but now I've got my 28 to 70 on. It's just shots everywhere you look. Everywhere you look, but it's been a good day. So hopefully tomorrow it'll be similar. And another enjoyable day of photography. God, it's cold.
Reported to a member of staff or the British Transport Police via text on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sort it.
Right, that's the end of that journey, but what I'm going to do now, I'm heading to Primark. I'm going to buy some long johns because I'm not going to be cold like I was today, and tomorrow off to the lakes again. And if it's as cold as it has been today, tomorrow with my long johns I'll be snug as a bug in a rug.